If you're getting ready to homeschool your preschooler, you may be wondering what supplies you actually need. Do you need a curriculum? Should you buy educational toys? How much do you really need to get started? The good news is that preschool homeschool doesn't require a classroom full of supplies. A few simple materials can help your child practice important skills through everyday activities and play. Let's take a look at some of the best supplies to start with. Books are one of the best places to start. Read picture books together every day and let your child enjoy alphabet books, counting books, rhyming books, and stories they love. Reading together helps children build language skills while creating special time together. Don't forget about your local library. It's a great way to find new books without spending a lot of money. You don't need a large collection of art supplies to get started. A box of colored crayons, washable markers, glue sticks, child-safe scissors, and construction paper are enough for many preschool activities. Children practice fine motor skills while coloring, cutting, gluing, and creating simple art projects. These activities also help strengthen the hand muscles needed for handwriting later on. Hands-on material make preschool learning simple and practical. Building blocks, puzzles, magnetic letters, counting bears, Play-Doh, and shape sorters all encourage children to learn by doing. These materials help children practice counting, recognize letters and shapes, solve problems, and strengthen fine motor skills. Many of these supplies can be used in different ways as your child grows. Learning doesn't have to stay inside. Drawing with sidewalk chalk, playing with balls, blowing bubbles, enjoying water play, using sandbox toys, and taking nature walks all give children opportunities to move, explore, and observe the world around them. Outdoor activities also help children practice balance, coordination, and other important physical skills. Some of the best learning tools are already in your home. Measuring cups, clothespins, cardboard boxes, plastic containers, muffin tins, and plastic cups can all be used for counting, sorting, building, and pretend play. Before buying something new, take a look around your house. You may already have many useful learning materials. Let's do a quick review. Start with a simple few supplies like books, basic art materials, hands-on learning tools, outdoor activities, and everyday household items. Remember, you don't need to buy everything at once. Start with the basics, use what you already have, and add more supplies as your child's interest grows. The goal isn't to have a classroom full of material. It's to create opportunities for your child to learn through everyday activities and play. The best preschool homeschool supplies are often the simplest ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more preschool homeschool tips and ideas. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.